Nice shot.
Oh,
See, I should not have challenged him.
there he reacted. Woo!
Welcome to Cheers with Checks. So let's react to the climax scene of Mirchi movie. Oh my god, last scene. I still not recovered from the shock because I was really sweating by seeing all those
And
things.
she died, no? That time she was also feeling like, oh, that time I can't. Oh, ഒന്നും പറയാനില്ല.
Because right, ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ മൂവീസിൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇത്ര റോ ആയിട്ട് കാണിക്കില്ല.
കാണിച്ചാലും അതിനൊരു ഷോട്ടൊക്കെ കുറച്ച്
ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. പക്ഷെ ഇതെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വെരി വെരി ഓപ്പൺ ആയിട്ട് കാണിച്ചു, ഭയങ്കര റോ ആയിരുന്നു സംഭവം. സോ ദാറ്റ് ലൈക്ക് യുനോ എന്താ പറയുക, ദാറ്റ് സർട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ തിങ് വാസ് ജസ്റ്റിഫൈഡ് ദെയർ എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിൽ പറയാം. ആൻഡ് അത് മാത്രമല്ല, ലൈക്ക് ഐ ആം റിയലി വെയിറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ വാട്ട്സ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ഹാപ്പൻ ഇൻ ക്ലൈമാക്സ് ബിക്കോസ് യുനോ ഹൗ ഹി ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു വെൽ ദാറ്റ് സമ്പത്ത് ചേഞ്ച് ഓർ ഹി വിൽ ഡൈ ഓർ വാട്ട്, ദാറ്റ്സ് വാട്ട് ഐ എം വെയിറ്റിംഗ് ഫോർ. എന്തായാലും നമുക്ക് കാണാം.
ഒരു ഫ്ലാഷ് ബാക്ക് എൻഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞു, അല്ല എൻഡ് ആയി ഏകദേശം. റെഡി?
నాన్న మాటలు బాధ అనిపించిన అదే నిజం అనిపించింది. నేను ఊరు వెళ్ళడం వల్ల ఇక్కడ ఆవేశాలు రగిలి సమస్యలు మొదలయ్యాయి. నేను తిరిగి వెళ్ళిపోతే అక్కడ సమస్యలు తీరిపోతాయని ఫోన్ వెళ్ళిపోయాను. కానీ అక్కడ అందరూ నాన్న కాదని, నేను చూపించిన మార్గాన్ని నమ్ముకుని తిరిగి మళ్ళీ మొదలు పెట్టాను. వెన్నెల ద్వారా తెలిసింది. నా వల్లే మొదలైన ఈ సమస్యని నేనే ఆపాలనుకున్నాను. సరిగ్గా అదే టైంలో నువ్వు కలిసావు. మా ఊర్లాగే మీ ఊర్లో కూడా గొడవల వల్ల అందరూ సఫర్ అవుతున్నారని నేను చూసాక అర్థమైంది. ఈ ద్వారా మీ ఇంటికి వచ్చాను. అందరినీ మార్చాలనుకున్నాను.
ఈ రోజు మా ఫ్యామిలీ ఇంత హ్యాపీగా ఉందంటే దానికి కారణం నువ్వు. ఇది చాలు జే, ఇక్కడి నుంచి నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపో. నువ్వు నాకు తక్కువన్న స్వార్థంతో ఇదంతా చెప్పట్లేదు జే. నువ్వు ఆ ఊరు మనిషిని తెలిస్తే ఏం జరుగుతుందో అని తలుచుకుంటేనే భయంగా ఉంది.
నేను వచ్చిన పని పూర్తయ్యాక ఇక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్తాను మనసు.
He has a mission.
ബട്ട് മാനസയുടെ ഹാർട്ടും നല്ലതാണ് അവിടെ, കാരണം ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടും പോവാനാ പറയുന്നത്.
బాబు జై, నువ్వు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చావో ఎందుకు వచ్చావో నాకు తెలియదు, కానీ ఇంటిల్లో పాది నువ్వు మా ఇంటి అల్లుడు కావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. మా బిడ్డ అయినా మాలాగా మొరటి మనిషి కాదు, మంచి చెడు తెలిసిన పిల్ల. నీకు అభ్యంతరం లేకపోతే మీ అమ్మా నాన్నకి కబురు చెయ్యి, నేను మాట్లాడతాను.
బాబు, ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళందరినీ వాడితే వాడావు కానీ నువ్వు అనుకున్నది సాధించావు. ఆ అమ్మాయిని దాన్ని చేసుకున్నావు.
ఇలా జరగకూడదు ప్రతాప్ గారు.
అదేంటి?
నేను వాళ్ళ శత్రువు దేవగారు అబ్బాయి.
కంప్లీట్లీ గాన్ టు యాషెస్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
ఏంట్రా ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు? వచ్చిన పని అంత తొందరగా అయిపోయింది అంటానా? మగాడిని తెద్దాం అనుకున్నాను రా దానికి. కొంచెం కూడా కసి రోషం లేని నీలాంటోడు ఈ ఇంటికి ఎలా నచ్చాడో నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు.
కాసేపు అమ్మాయి మ్యాటర్ పక్కన. రెండోది ఏదో మగతనం, మగాడను. మగాడంటే
చీ అన్న, చీవు నెత్తురు లేకుండా నవ్వుతూ పడుంటే నీలాంటోడు కాదు. నరాల్లో రక్తం మరిగి తెరగబడి ఎగ్గబడి వాడే
Definition of man is
ఎదురు పడితే చేతిలో ఆయుధం లేకపోయినా తమ్ముతో కసితో చంపగలిగే వీళ్ళు.
He's also having a nice height.
మగాడు.
There.
మనుషుల్ని కొట్టడం, చంపడం మగతనం. అది రాత్రి నాటి మగతనం. దానికి ధైర్యం. పగోడిని కూడా ప్రేమగా దగ్గర తీసుకోవడం అసలైన మగతనం. దానికి కావాలి దమ్ము.
అంత తేలిక ట్రై చేస్తావా? రేయ్, మాటలతో అయిపోయింది రా ఈ మగతనం. రమ్మంటే గుండె ధైర్యం రెండు జారిపోయినరా. పగోడిని ప్రేమించాలని నువ్వు చెప్పిన మగతనం నేను ట్రై చేస్తా.
నేను
చెప్పిన మగతనం నువ్వు ట్రై చేస్తేనే.
It's challenging.
Like a different fight.
It's going to get
Different
nice.
fight, but
It's going to get nicely. He should not be in that family.
But he's not good in that family, no? That's why.
All others are good. That guy changed, right? Sanpurna.
Purna is good comparatively. Woo!
Sand fights. Like that expression.
Oh.
Sambat is shocked.
Rain. Not only sand, it is rain fight. Whoa! Nice frames.
Prabhas, that kind of frames is like awesome.
Because in
It's actually come in full screen no? Because of his height. Nice shot.
oh,
See, I should not have challenged him. Wow.
woo. Hey, his side angle is best, I think. That's why it's showing. Mass is more, no?
The mass effect is and also that innocent look he has.
Woo.
Wow, that dinosaur effect is there. Fight the samayte.
And that too, that time.
He was not that bulgy. The muscles were not that, but.
నేను చెప్పిన మగతనం నేను ట్రై చేస్తాను.
Ah.
నేను చెప్పిన మగతనం నువ్వు ట్రై చేస్తావు.
What he told, that manhood, no? He has left. Because he has won, no, there, like, as a that type of man.
వాళ్ళు లేవడానికి ఎన్ని రోజులు పట్టుదో తెలియదంట. తిరిగి లేస్తారో లేదో కూడా తెలీదు. నచ్చావరా, నీలాంటి వాడి కోసమే వెతుకుతున్నాను. నీ కాళ్ళు కడిగి దాన్ని నీకిచ్చి నేను పెళ్లి చేస్తాను. కానీ ఒక్క సహాయం కావాలరా. ఆ ఊళ్ళో అణువణువున పౌరుషంతో రక్తం మరిగి ఒక మగాడు ఉన్నాడు. ఒక్కడిని చెప్పి నా పగలు పంచుకోరా, జీవితాంతం నీకు దాసుకోమంటాను.
He will not change actually.
నువ్వు మారవరా.
He tried to change actually to him, no?
ఆ ఊరు మీద నీ కన్ను పడితే కన్నెర్ర చేసి నీ కంటి మీద కునుకు లేకుండా చేసిన ఆ మగాడు చచ్చిపోయాడు. ఆ ఇంటి మీద నీ చేయి పడితే నీ ఇంటి గుమ్మం దాకా వచ్చి నీ మెడ పట్టుకున్న ఆ మగాడు, ఆ పౌరుషం చచ్చిపోయింది. చచ్చిపోయేలా ప్రేమగా మారాడు. ప్రేమగా మారి నీ ముందుకొచ్చాడు. నీ కళ్ళ ముందుకొచ్చాడు.
Again, any expression.
అంటే నేను వెతుకుతున్న మగోడు మగోడు.
Oh, he's taking all the.
Yeah, he's not reacting. He wants him to change.
మనోరనుకున్నారు మగోడు వీడు. ఏంటో చేసుకుందామనుకున్నా వీటి ఏంటిని సగం అనుకుందామని వచ్చాడు వీడు.
But nicely that background score is, no, there now.
ఈ ప్రాణం కోసమే ప్రాణం పోగొట్టుకున్నా. పగోడి పక్కనే చేరి ధైర్యంగా ఉన్నావంటే నీది గుండె కాదురా, ఆ గుండె ధైర్యం చచ్చిపోవాలి. ఆ ఊరి మీదకి ఆ ఇంటి మీదకి వెళ్తే నీ రక్తం ఊరుకోదు కదరా మగాడా.
అన్నయ్య అన్నయ్య ఆపని చెప్పన్నయ్య.
నిన్ను చంపి ఆ ఇంటిని ఆ దేవగాడిని తగలక్కుతా.
There he reacted. Woo!
That's power. Seated thriller.
End, no? What expression, man. How he's
He doesn't
changing.
need that beard, nothing. He doesn't require all those things.
No, how he's changing that.
Yeah. Oh,
That both expression, no? Sometimes he'll be full emotionally. That's why Rajamouli told, no? He's have all the emotions.
అదే 10 నిమిషాలు పాత మనిషిని అయితే ఇంట్లో ఒక్క మగాడు కూడా మిగలడు.
tooky.
అమ్మని చంపేశారు రా, కానీ నేను మీ మధ్యకి వచ్చి ప్రేమతో బతుకుతున్నాను.
Hey.
అర్థంగా దూరం చేసావు, నా ప్రేమ దూరం చేసావు, కానీ నేను మీకు ప్రేమతో దగ్గరయ్యాను రా.
He's modulating his voice. He's got that bass voice, it's still this like.
ఇంకెంతకాలం రా, నీ వల్ల ఇంకెంతమంది అరవాలరా?
Oh. That was powerful hit actually. That hit.
పగలాగాలని ప్రేమతో ఉండాలని ఊరు కోసం కుటుంబాన్ని వదిలేసి బతుకుతున్నాయని చంపుతావు అనుకుంటారా?
Oh. ఎల్లరి వందల్లో
కత్తి వాడటం మొదలెడితే నాకంటే బాగా ఎవడో వాడాడు, కానీ చివరి కత్తులే మిగులుతాయి, మనుషులు మిగలరు.
Oh, humanity.
వీలైతే ప్రేమిద్దాం రా, పోయిదే ఉంది, మహా అయితే తిరిగి ప్రేమిస్తారు.
He's talking like his father now.
లేదు నా ఒక్కడి చదువుతానే ఈ పగలాగుతాయి, కంచెలు తెగుతాయంటే
Oh.
వాడు మనోడు కాదన్నావు, పగోడన్నావు, తెగ నరుకుతాడన్నావు, కానీ అన్నవాడు నిన్ను చంపడానికి తరుముతుంటే వాళ్ళ నుంచి నిన్నెందుకు కాపాడాడు రా?
అన్న సేవ్ ఇదిలే. That day he saved, no actually.
పుట్టెరిగినాక ఈ కొంపలో మనుషులను చూస్తే భయంతో పక్కకు తప్పుకున్న వాళ్లే కానీ గౌరవంతో ఏ రోజైనా మనకు చేతులెత్తి నమస్కారం పెట్టిన వాళ్ళని చూసావా? కానీ శత్రువు బిడ్డ కూడా పనిచేశాడు, అందుకు చంపేద్దామా?
Now respect for his father.
మగవాడు అయ్యుండి మన మధ్య బ్రతుకుతున్నాడంటే ఏదో కావాలి బాబాయ్ వీడికి. అది మన ప్రాణాలు కాదు, మన ఆస్తిపాస్తులు కాదు, మన బిడ్డ కాదు, ఇంకా ఏదో కావాలి. ఇచ్చేద్దాం బాబాయ్, మనం మారి మన ప్రేమను వాడికి తిరిగి ఇచ్చేద్దాం.
Oh.
His father itself is
He wanted
hearing now.
actually from that time itself. Hey, you wanted the same thing.
Yeah. Oh, with
Oh.
shock itself he is coming actually.
Because that kind of moment is happening.
Almost like emotional breakdown, no? That's the thing.
కత్తికేమన్నా కూడా ప్రేమిద్దాం అంటున్నారంటే ఏం గుండు రావాడిది. 10 గుంటలు బతికేస్తుంది, 10 గుంటలు బతికేస్తుంది.
Oh my god. That scene was awesome.
And that also changing, no? Not killing actually here.
Goosebumps scene.
ఆ ఊళ్ళోనే కాదురా, ఈ ఊళ్ళో కూడా ఒక మగాడు ఉన్నాడు.
Will he left? Whoa, what an end, yeah.
This is how it should be. The end. Because changing a most problematic person is a very biggest task.
And that he was telling, that manhood here also is there like that.
Because father was trying for this since 20 years.
ఏంటనేది
మిమ్మల్ని కాదు
Yeah.
కళ కోసం బతుకుతున్నా. నువ్వే లేకపోతే అది కళగానే మిగిలిపోతుందని తెలుసుకోలేకపోయాను. ఈ పగలాగాలంటే ఒకవైపు ఆపితే రెండో వైపు అలిసిపోయి ఆగుతారనుకున్నా. అలిసిపోతే కాదు, మనుషులు మారితే ఆగుతాయని నువ్వు అనుకున్నావు. మనుషుల్ని ప్రేమించలేవని ఈ ప్రేమను దూరం చేశాను. నన్ను క్షమించు.
నాన్న ఏం మీరు
నీ కోసం, నీ ప్రేమ కోసం అది 1000 కళ్ళతో ఎదురు చూస్తుంది. వెళ్ళు.
I never thought Sampath will change like this.
But here, that Manasa,
She can understand. You're
she can
not in
understand the
that very
situation.
deep love. or
That's why
something
that
like
they showed like that.
You're not in that.
Here,
very
no deep
yeah.
actually.
She's waiting. Who will wait like
And
this?
that too, that marriage time.
Huh? That's why.
A marriage day he gone, right?
బయట నుంచి ఇంకా సంబంధాలు జరగబడుతున్నావా? చాలా లేట్ అయిపోయింది బంగారం. నన్ను పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటావా?
Oh,
That darling song, no?
darling son, yeah.
Ah.
Superb.
Though lots of violent scenes in there, പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും that feel was really different. Usually movie they'll end with almost like a violent scene like end ചെയ്യുന്നത് then mass scene. But here it is like എന്താ പറയാ ആ ഒരു nice ending ആണ്. അതായത് ആ ഒരു family moment അവിടെ തന്നു. And also like he changed the most problematic person because his father is trying for almost 20 years to change that Sampath. പക്ഷെ നടക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. He changed it with love.
Yes.
Because that is what the message even director is also telling. എന്താ പറയാ അങ്ങനെ വയലൻസ് ഇല്ല നമ്മൾ പറയില്ലേ ഹിംസ അല്ല എന്താ പറയാ തെറ്റിപ്പോയി ഓക്കെ ഹിംസയാണ് വേണ്ടത് ഹിംസയല്ല എന്നുള്ളതാണ് പറയുന്നത്. കാരണം അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് കിട്ടിയതും അങ്ങനെ തന്നെയാണ്. ഈവൻ കുറെ സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ നടന്നെങ്കിലും പക്ഷേ ദ എൻഡ് ഇസ് ലൈക്ക് ആ ഒരു ഹാപ്പി എൻഡ് തന്നെയാണ്. പക്ഷെ കാണുന്ന സമയത്ത് I feel അവരുടെ കെമിസ്ട്രി ഐ എം ലൈക്കിംഗ് ഇറ്റ്.
Which one?
Prabhas and Anushka. Chemistry is awesome. Again, എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു എന്താ പറയാ ഇനിയും ഒരുമിച്ചിട്ട് മൂവി വരണം എന്ന് ഐ ഫീൽ. ബിക്കോസ് ഈവൻ എന്താ പറയാ ഇപ്പൊ കുറെ നാളൊക്കെ ആയി പക്ഷെ സ്റ്റിൽ ലൈക്ക് ദ കെമിസ്ട്രി ഇസ് മാജിക്കൽ ഓൺ സ്ക്രീൻ കെമിസ്ട്രി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. കാരണം ദേ ഫീൽ ലൈക്ക് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സ് ഇല്ലെ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഫീൽ ആണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. മോർ ഓവർ വെരി ഡീപ്പ് റൊമാൻറ്റിക്കിന് പുറമെ ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി പാർട്ട്നേഴ്സ് സംഭവം വൈബാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് സത്യരാജ് മൈ ഗോഡ് everyone like എന്താ പറയാ ആ ഒരു ഫാമിലി ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത സമയത്ത് ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കേം ലൈക്ക് സോ കൂൾ. എവറിത്തിങ് ഈസ് പോസിബിൾ കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഒരു മെസ്സേജ് അവിടെ മാക്സിമം കൊടുക്കാൻ നോക്കി.
അതായത് നമ്മുടെ മലയാളത്തിലെ ജിസ് ജോയ് പടത്തിന്റെ ഒരു വയലൻസ് മോഡ് പടം എന്ന് പറയുവാണെങ്കിൽ അല്ലെ ജിസ് ജോയ് പടത്തിന്റെ അല്ലെ അതിന്റെ അകത്തല്ലേ പറയുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ത്രിവിക്രം സ്റ്റൈൽ ഓൾസോ സെയിം
All people are good because it's so this movie would be like this, right? All are good.
In our Malayalam industry, one director is just so he'll be taking like that movies. It will be a complete feel good and the family love, everything will be love everyone.
Because everyone's mind there will be a humanity ഉണ്ടാവില്ലേ. അപ്പൊ അതാണ് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു അംശമെങ്കിലും 0.1% എങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടാവില്ലേ. സോ അതിനെ നമുക്ക് റിക്കവർ ചെയ്തെടുക്കാം എന്നുള്ളതാണ് കാണിക്കുന്നത്. സോ അത് തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെയും കാണിച്ചത്. എനി വൺ ക്യാൻ ചേഞ്ച് അറ്റ് എനി ടൈം എനി പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ടൈം ബിക്കോസ് പീപ്പിൾ വോണ്ട് ബി റിമൈനിങ് സെയിം അങ്ങനെയാണ് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഇത്രയും ഗുണ്ടായിട്ട് നടക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാർക്ക് വരെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാം. Same like addiction because if you have any smoking addiction or something at any point of time we can change it. If we feel like we cannot change we can't. പക്ഷേ നമുക്ക് തോന്നുകയാണ് okay we want to really leave that habits and all we can change at any point of time at any age also.
And ആ ഫൈറ്റിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ വന്ന ഒരു ഗൂസ് ബംപ് സീൻ ഒരു രക്ഷ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. ആൻഡ് ഫൈറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ആ ഒരു ഇമോഷണൽ ബ്രേക്ക് ഡൗൺ വരുമ്പോ again ഗൂസ് ബംപ്സ്.
Seated thriller. I got the feel of seated thriller. ആ ഒരു എൻഡ് മൊമെന്റിൽ ഇനി എന്താ നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നു. Loving Prabhas like anything after watching because I was thinking Bahubali made him like a star. I was thinking like that. പക്ഷെ
no ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് കാരണം he has come like with steps, no footsteps, one steps he has taken and he reached
പക്ഷെ
there.
നമുക്കിതൊന്നും അറിയില്ലായിരുന്നു.
No, we
കാരണം
don't
we didn't know all this thing. I was thinking like that only. Okay, Rajamouli made him a star, like okay,
Pan-Indian star.
Pan-Indian star and all, like. But
Yeah,
that
maybe
is-
Pan-Indian star because
so
of
it took
Rajamouli
so much
only.
years to
Yeah.
for me to realize all this thing, because if I would not have watched this movie, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള മൂവീസ് കണ്ട് നമുക്ക് റിയലൈസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഓക്കെ ബാഹുബലി ഈസ് ഓക്കെ പ്രഭാസ് മൂവി, ഓക്കെ അതത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ എന്നുള്ളത്. ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് ഹീസ് ഗെറ്റിംഗ് ഓൾ ദിസ് മൂവീസ് ലൈക്ക് കൽക്കിയൊക്കെ. പക്ഷെ അങ്ങനെയല്ല കേട്ടോ, ഹി ഈസ് ഓൾറെഡി പ്രൂവൺ ലൈക്ക് എനിത്തിങ് ആൻഡ് വിത്ത് ദിസ് ലുക്ക്. ഈ ലുക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അത്ര ബൾജി മസിൽ എന്നൊക്കെ അത്ര
ഇല്ല.
സംഭവമല്ല. പക്ഷെ എന്നാലും
And he don't
he's
have
very
beard and all,
fit.
no? For mass
And
things.
this director is showing all his angles, like ഇപ്പൊ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബിക്കോസ് പ്രായത്തിൻ്റെതായിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് മാറ്റങ്ങളുണ്ട്. ഇവൻ ഐ തിങ്ക് സംതിങ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾ ഹി ഹാസ് ഡൺ ഇറ്റ്. പക്ഷെ എന്തൊക്കെയോ ചേഞ്ച് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ ഇതിൽ നോക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഇസ് നോട്ട് ഹാവിംഗ് ബിയേർഡ്സ്, നോ ഫേസ് മാത്രം ചെറിയ സ്മോൾ ഫേസ് ആണ്.
Face ആണ്.
And his body is a very lean body, but in that he's that mass effect we are getting. He doesn't need to do anything. Like our
Yeah.
screen lo vannu nikkumbo thane that dinosaur effect we are getting.
Yeah, and he is getting that emotional face also. ആ ഫേസിലെ ഓരോ ഇമോഷൻസും കലിപ്പ് വരേണ്ട സമയത്ത് ആ ഒരു മാസ് എഫക്ട് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് പെട്ടെന്ന് കണ്ണൊന്ന് കൂർപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ he is getting that mass, right?
Dialogue delivery,
Yeah, modulation, sound modulation.
when the violence type of അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു മൊമെന്റ് വരുമ്പോ is that bass is
Bass will come.
very high. പക്ഷെ ഒരു മൊമെന്റ് വരെയാണ് എസ്പെഷ്യലി ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ് ഇമോഷണൽ പ്ലസ് ഒരു എന്താ പറയാ ആംഗ്രി മൊമെന്റ് വരുമ്പോ ഹീസ് ചേഞ്ചിങ് it's tone different. When with Anushka Shetty, the tone is different. Is that this way how we act in different scenarios, the way he's changing his tone also, like pala voice ole oro moment
Actually, he is a good dubbing artist also, like that. Because changing different
changing the modulation is like, because our cute ടോൺ ഉണ്ട്, ആ ഒരു ഹൈ ടോണും ഉണ്ട്, ആ സാധനം റൈറ്റ് നൗ വി ആർ ലൈക്ക് വിറ്റ്നസിംഗ് ദ ഒരു
മോർ ഇൻടു ദ മാസ്
അല്ലേ, മാസ് സീനാണ്, മാസ് ടോൺ ആണ്. പക്ഷേ I don't know, like it's really nice actually. കാണാനായിട്ടും സ്ക്രീനിൽ വരുമ്പോഴും ആക്ടിംഗ് വൈസും എവറിത്തിങ് ഹീസ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ്.
ബിഗ് ക്ലാപ്പ് കൊടുക്കേണ്ട ഒരാളുണ്ട്, കൊരട്ടാല ശിവ. ഹിസ് ഡെബ്യൂട്ട് മൂവി ആക്ച്വലി. This is the debut movie, Mirchi.
Is it?
Yeah, debut movie. We have read in the starting, no? It's a debut movie. So there he has given all the elements, like songs are there, romantic areas are there, comedy part is there.
That's why it's gone real raw.
Yeah, emotional are there, like family moments are there, love is there, because, everything, fight also.
First would be always first.
Yeah.
അങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നത്. അതായത് നമ്മള് like if we do anything, if we first job will be 100% sincere, hardworking, everything ആയിരിക്കും. The same way we can find in this movie also. Like at the end like ചിലപ്പോ പോവേണ്ട കുറെ moments because there are moments like can be cringed kind, പക്ഷെ അദ്ദേഹം അത് totally change ചെയ്ത് it shifted like anything, seated thriller, goosebumps, and that we feel that hope that okay ആ ഒരു പാർട്ട് കണ്ട് അനുഷ്ക പ്ലസ് പ്രഭാസിന് ഒന്ന് മാരേജ് കാണിച്ചിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ എന്ന് ആഗ്രഹിച്ചു പോകുന്ന ഒരു സംഭവം അവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഇല്ലേ. അയ്യോ nice. എനിക്ക് ശരിക്കും ക്ലൈമാക്സ് ഭയങ്കര ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു.
And satisfying also, no? End is satisfying because that last scene they have shown again, no? Anushka and Prabhas combination again they have shown. Some movies they will not show. Like in that end they are walking, no? There it will finish.
Yeah, but here it is like almost like he is joining hand with a
hand that also good. Like completely like as a debut director, big claps goes to him. And അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആ ഒരു complete support DSP കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാരണം DSP already experienced ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ആ ഒരു background score department, musical department completely satisfying അല്ലേ. He has given a great support.
Everyone, all characters, all the actors in this movie like deserves like clap. കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാവരും നന്നായിട്ട് തന്നെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. എസ്പെഷ്യലി സമ്പത്ത് ആൻഡ് at the end moment നമുക്ക് പാവം തോന്നും അല്ലേ, that kind of moment.
Change, right?
That is his mentality. Because that's his mindset change ചെയ്യാന്നുള്ള
his definition is different.
The definition of manhood is different. പക്ഷെ അത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് now he changed that, and that's what love can change anything എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. That's a pure love can change, not love. Pure love can change anything എന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതാണ് ശരിക്കും ഇവിടെ കണ്ടത്. എന്തായാലും ടോട്ടലി നമ്മള് സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ആയിട്ട് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ് മൂവി. We'll see in the video and which movie. Please give a suggestion. കാരണം 2 movie suggestions വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Based on that we'll check, because we have to explore other actors too.
Yes.
Because see, if we would not have experienced this Mirchi movie, we would be thinking okay, Bahubali.
Prabhas, Salar and Kalki.
Okay, Kalki, that's it. Kalki. അത്ര വിചാരിക്കുള്ളൂ. പക്ഷെ now we got it. Actually it is not ജസ്റ്റ് ബാഹുബലി. ഇതിന് മുന്നേക്ക് ഉണ്ട് എന്നുള്ളത്. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം. പ്ലീസ് ഷെയർ യുവർ വാല്യുബിൾ കമന്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ ഷെയർ എനി മൂവി, വിച്ച് മൂവി ടു റിയാക്ട് നെക്സ്റ്റ്. ആൻഡ് അത് നമ്മൾ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യാം, ബിക്കോസ് അവൈലബിലിറ്റി ഓൾസോ വി ഹാവ് ടു ചെക്ക്. സോ മെനി ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് വി ഹാവ് ടു ചെക്ക്, ദെൻ ഓൺലി വി ക്യാൻ റിയാക്ട് ദാറ്റ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. എന്തായാലും അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം.